Hello and thank you for choosing to use the BitPOS Tindahan app. We bring your order from a choice of hundreds of Tindahan partners right to your door. So how to use the BitPOS Tindahan app? Well, first, using your browser, go to tindahan.bitpos.pro. Secondly, make sure location access is enabled. You can also manually input your location. Adjust the map as needed based on your precise location. To do this, just move the pin on the map and save your address. Next, the app will auto-filter all the Tindahan partners near your location and display them in your dashboard. Select Store and add items to the cart that you'd like to purchase. Clicking on Proceed to Checkout allows you to review your items, delivery charge, and add any coupons or discounts. On the next page, you'll be prompted to log in either through your Facebook account or by entering your registered account details. If you don't yet have an account, you can create an account by entering in your information such as an email address and phone number. Or you may create a new account by signing into your Facebook account and granting access to the Tindahan app. If you decide to register using your email and phone number, an OTP will be sent to your phone number to verify. You can find your OTP in your Messages app. Simply enter your OTP in the Tindahan web app and click to verify. After your number has been verified, you are now logged into your account. You will then see your account info. Just click on the cart at the bottom of the screen to continue to checkout. Next, choose method of payment. You may select cash on delivery or wallet. Other payment options will be available soon. Once your order is successfully placed, the Tindahan app will assign your order to a delivery driver who will pick up your order and deliver it to you. You can then monitor and track your orders from the dashboard. Thank you for choosing to use the BitPOS Tindahan app.